Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Health Lesson 140. So let's go ahead and do a quick review before we get started. The number of muscles in your body, we said, is more than 600. The sunshine vitamin is another name for it. It's called vitamin D. Very good. How about the name for your voice box? Do you remember that? We call that your larynx. Very good, your larynx. And how are muscles made? What are they made of? Very good, protein. And when you gently pull your muscles against each other, we call that your muscle tone. Very good. Again, gently pulling muscles against each other is called muscle tone. How about the skeletal muscles that move when you want them to? What do we call them? Voluntary. Excellent. And another name for your heart muscle? Cardiac. Very good. How about your joints? Can you name 3 joints? Okay, boys and girls, let's go over your homework you had last night. You should have been on page 33, and you should have done letters D and E. D says, how are all movements in your body made? You should have written by muscles. We make movements by using our muscles. How many muscles are in the body? About 600. Why do most skeletal muscles work in pairs? Do you remember? Because each muscle always does its work by pulling. It never pushes. Therefore, the muscle which bends your arm cannot straighten it. Okay, remember, I'll say it again. Make sure your sentence says something like this. Because each muscle always does its work by pulling. It never pushes. Therefore, the muscle which bends your arm cannot straighten it. Okay, can't make it straight again. Number 4, how can muscles be made stronger? How do you strengthen your muscles? By using them, by exercising. Very good. What attaches the skeletal muscles to the bones? We said this in our Kahoot. Tendons. Very good. Why are skeletal muscles also referred to as voluntary muscles? Do you remember? Because you can make your skeletal muscles move when you want them to. Remember, voluntary, when I volunteer, I always raise my hand. So think about voluntary, when you want your hand to move up, that's when it works. Letter E says list 5 benefits of exercising. That was a lot. You need to list 5 of them. The answer should include 5 of these. Strengthen your bones and muscles. Increase your endurance. Improve your coordination. Become flexible and agile. Produce good blood cells. Exercising helps your blood cells get produced. Improve your circulation. Help your digestion. Help you digest your food. Increase your energy. Help control your weight is a good idea for exercising. Improve your posture, help you stand up straight. Help you relax. A lot of people exercise for relaxation when they're feeling stressed. It also keeps you alert. So you needed 5 of those. I listed more, but you needed 5 of those for the answer. Okay, let's go on to today's lesson. Today we're going to be on page 34, and we're going to talk about breathing. You guys, have you ever heard the term of external respiration? Well, what external respiration is, very simple. Ready? Go like this. And let it out. You just did external respiration. You breathe in and you breathe out. Very simply put. What you are breathing in, what you are taking in is called oxygen, and what you are breathing out is called carbon dioxide. Okay? Now, think about it this way. Breathing in is called oxygen, right? What you take in. It's a gas in the air, okay? Those gases that you are taking in are called gases, okay? It's a gas called oxygen. Now, think about when you blow out. When you breathe out, you are breathing out a gas as well. That carbon dioxide, that gas, we call as a waste gas. You don't need it anymore. You remember we talked about plants at one time? Plants need that waste gas. What our waste is, the carbon dioxide, that's what plants need. So it's waste for us, but that's what the plants need. So that is called external respiration. You're going to read on page 34 and 35 about external respiration. We will see you back for lesson 141 tomorrow.